So, in 2017, Apple engineers made a crucial decision that enabled the company to implement Apple Intelligence in devices launched years later. During a recent episode of the Circuit podcast, Tim Millett, Apple's Vice President of Platform Architecture, and Tom Boger, Senior Director of Mac and iPad Product Marketing, discussed how early planning paved the way for AI integration into Apple's ecosystem. The executives revealed that Apple's engineers began focusing on neural networks in 2017, shortly after the initial research papers on the topic were published. This technology would later evolve into transformer networks, which underpin generative AI systems today. Recognizing the transformative potential of neural networks, Apple re-engineered its neural engine for the next generation of Apple silicon, ultimately resulting in the M1 chip. When the M1 was launched in 2020, powering the MacBook Air, 13-inch MacBook Pro, and Mac Mini, it was equipped to run neural networks directly on the processor. At the time, however, practical applications for such technology were limited, as generative AI had not yet become mainstream. This advanced capability was largely ahead of its time, reflecting Apple's forward-thinking approach. Millett and Boger emphasized the importance of planning ahead in chip development. With the M1, we had the foresight to recognize emerging trends and introduce them into our silicon, understanding the long lead times required, they explained. This strategic foresight has allowed the M1 to remain relevant and capable of supporting advanced AI features, even years after its debut. Earlier this year, at the GlowTime event, Apple announced that Apple Intelligence would be compatible with M1 chipsets. This update brings cutting-edge, AI-driven features to hardware that is now 4 years old, demonstrating the long-term value of Apple's investment in AI-ready silicon. These features are expected to roll out globally in December, although users in the European Union and China will face delays due to regulatory hurdles. The podcast offered insight into Apple's vision for integrating hardware and AI, highlighting the company's commitment to staying ahead of technological trends. This approach underscores the company's ability to anticipate changes in the tech landscape and deliver enduring value to its users. So what do you guys think about the Apple Intelligence? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.